Hello friends, welcome back to Grasp English class. Today our topic is prepositions. So, prepositions also comes in parts of speech. Up till now, we have studied nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs and conjunctions, right? So, today we are going to study about prepositions. So first we are going to learn what is a preposition. A preposition is a word or group of words that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to some other word in the sentence. Okay, so a preposition is a word or group of words that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to some other word in the sentence. Let's see. Next slide. So it can be on, in, next to, that is beside also. In front of, behind, between, under, through, around. So like these type of words are known as prepositions. Now let's learn the prepositions of place by reading the sentence. These are all given here boxes and a footballs. Okay, so here all the things are basketballs and boxes. So there is a relationship between the box and ball. Here the relationship is shown between the box and ball. And let's see how the relationship is shown here. It means from where it is kept, is it under, in, on, where it is. Okay, so there is a relationship between box and ball here. Now let's read it in the sentence also. In the box. So where is the ball here? We have to recognize the position of ball here. So where is the box? Where is the box here? All are boxes. And we have to learn that where the ball is kept. Okay. So in first box, tell me where the ball is kept. It is kept in the box. Yes. In next one, on the box. See, you can see the ball where it is placed. It is placed on the box. In third one, under the box. Where the ball is placed, it is under the box. In fourth one, next to the box. It means box के side में है, beside है. So what will be next to the box or beside the box? Okay. And in this one, fifth one, where the ball is kept. Oh, two here. Two boxes are given here. So we have to learn where the ball is. The ball is between the boxes. So देखो यहाँ पे 2 box दिया है, उसके middle में रखा है ball. So it is known as between the boxes. And here so many boxes are there. Okay. So the ball is kept among the boxes. इन्हीं के बीच में है कहीं. तो box के ही बीच में है. तो कहाँ पर है? Among the boxes. Okay. Next one. In front of the box. कहाँ पे रखा है ball? In front of the box. Next one. Behind the box. Behind the box. कहाँ पे रखा है ball? Behind the box. Box के पीछे. Next one. Above the box. Where the ball is above the box. अब आप यहाँ पर ये confusion मत create करना. Above and on में क्या फर्क होता है? Above का मतलब भी ऊपर होता है. On का मतलब भी ऊपर होता है. लेकिन इसमें डिफरेंस ये है कि on the box का मतलब ये ball and box दोनों टच हो रहे हैं. है तो उसके ऊपर बॉल, but the ball is getting touched with the box here. The ball is getting touch with the box. So इनमें टच वाली मूवमेंट आ रही है दो थिंग्स में. ओके. सो जब भी कोई भी चीज ऊपर है, but if it is getting touched with the another thing, then it is known as on. And if anything is up, but if it is in air, if it is floating in the air but not touching any another thing, then it will be the above. अगर कोई भी चीज ऊपर एयर में फ्लोट हो रही है तो बॉक्स के ऊपर, बट वो बॉक्स को टच नहीं कर रही है. It is not touching another thing. Okay, box को टच नहीं कर रही है बॉल. Then it will be above the box. Below the box, the same difference between under and below also. Under में नीचे रखा है बट बॉक्स और बॉल टच हो रहे हैं एक दूसरे से. बिलो में क्या हो रहा है, बॉक्स थोड़ा सा ऊपर है और बॉल नीचे है, मीन्स ये दोनों चीज टच नहीं हो रही है एक दूसरे से. देन इट मीन्स इट विल बी दी बिलो द बॉक्स. नियर द बॉक्स मतलब बॉक्स के एकदम पास में. फार फ्रॉम द बॉक्स इट मीन्स दूर. एट द डोर उधर है. ओके, एट द डोर. हाँ, so I hope you have understood. And also I have tried to explain you the difference between on and above in this sentence and between under and below also. So don't get confused. Okay, and I hope you have understood prepositions of place. So prepositions. Preposition means what? Where it is positioned. वो कहाँ पे position किए गए हैं. ठीक है, वो जो चीज है जिस पर हम बात कर रहे हैं, where that place has got the position, so it is called preposition. Next one, a preposition is a part of speech that shows the relationship between two things. See here, two things are given here. One is caterpillar, another one is apple. Now let's see what type of relationship is between them. What type of relationship is between them? The caterpillar is on the apple here. Okay, so apple के ऊपर है caterpillar, then it will be the caterpillar is on the apple. The two items are the caterpillar and the apple. The preposition shows the relationship of the two things. इसमें क्या relationship है, कौन से two things के बीच में relationship दिखा रहे हैं, caterpillar and apple के बीच में. The caterpillar is on the apple. Therefore on is the preposition, क्योंकि हमें क्या बता रहा है, caterpillar is on the apple. Caterpillar is the apple. So is caterpillar the apple? No. If I am going to say, caterpillar is there, but where it is? On the apple. So on will be the preposition. So here I am going to tell you prepositional phrase. A group of words that consist of a preposition, हमने पढ़ चुका है, the object of the preposition, ठीक है, and any modifiers, they are known as prepositional phrase. For example, the genie from the brass lamp granted 3 wishes. From is a preposition, ठीक है, और modify किस पर कर रहे हैं, the brass lamp पे. और हम यहाँ पे कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट, द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द प्रेपोजिशन. अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, लैम्प. लैम्प क्या हुआ, ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द प्रेपोजिशन. अब इधर देखो, लैम्प बहुत टाइप के हो सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पे हमने लैम्प किस टाइप का है हमने वो बताया है, द ब्रास लैम्प. ओके, एंड टू हुम इट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग, जेनी. जेनी को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं, तो ये क्या हो गया, प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेज, क्योंकि हम इस प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेज के थ्रू हम यहाँ पर किसी को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. ओके, लेट्स सी नाउ द टाइप्स ऑफ प्रेपोजिशंस. preposition of time and place, preposition of agents and things, phrasal preposition. Let's read first preposition of time. On, at, in, from, to, for, since, ago, before, till, until, by, etc. Example, he started working at 10 a.m. The company called meeting on 25th October. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखो टाइम बता रहा है. There is a holiday in December. He has been ill since Monday. तो यहाँ पे टाइम बताया है. Preposition of time and place. On, at, in, by, from, to, towards, up, down, across, between, among, through, in front of, behind, above, over, under, below, etc. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम टाइम एंड प्लेस दिखा रहे हैं. He is at home. ये प्लेस बता रहा है. He came from England. The police break into the house. I live across the river. यहाँ पे हमें टाइम एंड प्लेस बता रहा है preposition. Next, preposition of agents and things. Okay, of, for, by, with, about, etc. Okay, this article is about smartphones. Most of the guests have already left. I will always be there here for you. He is playing with his brothers. So here it is showing the agents and things of prepositions. Okay. Next one, the last one is phrasal preposition. Along with, apart from, in front of, because of, contrary of, in spite of, on account of, in reference of, instead of, etc. like this are known as phrasal prepositions. I am going out of the city. Out of the city. They along with their children went to Atlanta. In spite of being a good player, he was not selected. According to the new rules, you are not right. I hope you have understood the types of prepositions also. Yes, so preposition means place. It is showing the position. Okay. Now, let's read this poem. Preposition. Linking like a hook and eye, in and out, and for and by. Bird in nest, and rose on tree. Gift for you, and sit by me. So here, few preposition you can see like in, out, for, by, in, on, for, by. Okay, so these are known as prepositions. Thank you so much, friends. If you have understood and liked my video, please do like, and if there is any confusion, please do comment on it. And if there is any more confusion from the previous topic, you can go to the link and check there. The previous topics are given in Grasp English class. You can go and check and learn many more things. And to subscribe to our YouTube channel, for more videos, please subscribe my channel. There you can see subscribe button. Please go and subscribe there. And if you have any doubt, again I am reminding you, you can just go and check my previous video. The link is given here in the same video. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Take care.